Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Tonight, I'm going to accomplish two things at once. I'm going to cook dinner and simultaneously, I'm going to teach you how to explain things. Or I'm going to explain how to teach. Whatever, I'm going to show you how to with ASL. Are you ready? So tonight for dinner, I'm making breaded pork chops. You ready to learn? Here we go. The recipe says we need the following ingredients. 1 sleeve of butter crackers, like this. I don't have one. I have 2 little ones, which are the same as 1 big one. Normally they're this tall. So does it mean sleeve, like sleeve on your shirt? No, it means like a package. And here's the sign cracker. An A taps on your elbow. They're called butter crackers. Really? It's Ritz. Next, I need garlic powder. And I need pepper. And that's what this, here's the sign pepper. It's a pea that shakes up and down. And then next, I need eggs. 2 of them. Ta-da, eggs. So here's the sign eggs. Then I need pork chops. Ooh. And then last, I need some butter. And here's the sign butter. It's a U on your palm, butter. My first step is to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So what do I need to do? First, I need to think about my topic, the oven, which I spell. Then I need to talk about temperature, which is 375, and then I need to warm it up. So preheat really means to become warm. All right, so here it is again. Oven, temperature, not month, temperature. See how the movement changes? 375. Really, I can use an F for Fahrenheit, but no one's cooking with Kelvin, and the temperature already tells me it's degrees, 375. Ta-da, set the oven. The next step is to crush the crackers into a shallow bowl. Mix well with garlic, salt, and pepper. So it says crush. Crush. What am I crushing? I have nothing. So crush what? All right, so if I read it again, crush crackers. All right, so here's a cracker, right? And now I've crushed it. Okay, so now what? Now what do I do? Oh, I need a bowl to gather all the crumbs in. Oh, okay. So let me try that again. Bowl. And here's the crackers. Okay, crackers are tricky. This makes sense. I need to explain what to do first. The recipe's explanation is wrong. First, I need a bowl. Then I need the crackers, and then I can crush them up. So ASL explains in exactly the same order that you do it in. Bowl, crackers, crush. Notice that when I had it all mixed up, I took that bowl and I put it off to my left. right here to my left. That's going to be important later on. So remember where we put that bowl. All right, again, it says whisk. All right, so I'm whisking. I need something. So first I need the bowl, and then I need the 2 eggs, and I break them in the bowl, and then I can whisk them. So here's how you sign it. Bowl, egg, egg, because there's 2 of them, and then stir quickly. So I have my bowl of eggs, and I'm going to move that off just right here to the side. Remember where we put the bowl of crackers? It's over there on my left. I'm going to bring that here in the middle, and then I'm going to put a pan on my right. Then I take the pork chops, and I put them in the eggs and roll them around. Then I move them to the crackers and roll them around, and then I place them in the pan. And then I do that again and again, a total of 4 times. Now I'm going to put it in the oven and cook for 45 minutes. Notice the oven came first and then I put it in the door, because otherwise I'm just opening a door to nowhere. The timer's gone off. That means the food's ready. Come see. The process for how to explain things in ASL is just like everything else. You have to visualize and think how it happens, and then explain it step by step, exactly as it looks. So just don't think about words, think about pictures, and what the process looks like. And that's exactly how you're going to sign it. You can use that with a recipe, how to make a bookshelf, all sorts of things. Whatever you're talking about. How to kick a soccer ball. Whatever. The process is about visualizing what to do and then going through the steps and then signing the same way. I cooked. That means you have to wash the dishes.